guys, what's up? It's a beautiful day here in Southern California, and I was like, you know what, I need to get out the house, get some sunshine. But you know what, Amarion is still up in these streets, running up and down these streets. So I was like, what can I do that will allow me to get out my house but still be safe? So I decided to do something that I haven't done in a very, very, very long time, and that's go driving for dollars, aka cruising for cash. So I am headed to zip code 90001. I have my little map right here so that I know which streets to go up and down and which streets that I've covered and I haven't covered, and follow me along for the ride. Only in the hood do you see random loose dogs just standing on the corner. Like, you better go back home where you got food and water before somebody snatch your butt up. So I have to take a little break because of the ice cream truck. So we're gonna sit here and wait. But I don't mind, because if you look right over there, there's a house that's like all boarded up. So once this truck passes, I'm gonna go check out and see what that address is. So here's the house that I was trying to see now that the ice cream truck is gone. I don't know if you could really see it because of the sun, but anyways, it is completely boarded up. If you look at it, it doesn't look like that horrible. Aside from it being boarded up, like, it doesn't look that bad. So I'm interested to see. It might be possible that somebody already purchased it and they just boarded it up to protect it from like squatters. So when I get back home, I'm gonna be sure to check that out. Hey y'all, so while I was driving, I found a really good one that I thought you guys would see up close. So I got out my car. So let's take a look. So this is what I call very classic driving for dollars leads. You can see the shrubbery is all overgrown. If you look at the house, I don't know if those are the screens or what, but they're all torn up. The porch is like, it got two large big cracks in it. There is no little walkway, that's all gone. There's a random cat just sleeping on the front porch. To me, cats are always a sign of abandoned houses. I don't know, for some reason every time I see cats, it's either a sign of a hoarder house or a house that nobody lives there anymore. So let's come around on the back. This is a corner house. So let's come around, check out the back. You can see we got like this car that looks like it hasn't been driven in I don't know how many years. Here's more of the backyard. Again, you can see the shrubbery's all overgrown. Look at that back door. Like, ain't nobody coming in and out of that back door, right? That back window is boarded up back there. And here is the garage. Again, yeah, it just looks like nobody is using this garage, let alone driving this car. This house right here looks kind of messed up too. Why that look like that same dog that I saw driving, not driving down the street, walking down the street. But anyway, yeah, this is a good sign of a driving for dollars lead. Again, like I said, this car doesn't look like it's been driven. That's one sign that I like to look for. And then just overall, just looking at the house, I don't know if you can see it because of the sun, but you could just see, like, it just doesn't look like it's been lived in. At least I don't think anybody. I hope nobody's living in these conditions. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. I've called people and be like, oh, I'm calling about your vacant house. And they're like, I live there. And I'm like, oops, sorry. So you don't want to do that. But yeah, I just wanted to get out and show you guys. And if you can hear, I think that ice cream truck caught up to me. So let me get back in my car so I can get ahead of this fool. All right, y'all. Y'all, look, this is why I love LA. It is 69 degrees and sunny. And look, there is snow on the mountains. Where else? What other city has that? Oh, how beautiful. All right, back to work. I found another clearly vacant house. It's all boarded up. I was gonna get out and show y'all, but if y'all don't see this, y'all see this dog? I'm not about to mess with no dog in no random alley, so I'm sitting in my car. Look, it's coming closer and everything. Oh, it turned the corner. I'm still not getting out. Anyways, but yeah, this is another clearly good candidate for driving for dollars. Let me go in the alley so y'all can kind of see the side. So it's all boarded up. The electrical box right there is clearly not working. This is a really good driving for dollars lead. So I'm gonna take this down and research it and see what's going on with it. Alright y'all, so the sun is just about gone. That means it's time for me to go on home. So that's what I'm about to do. I had a pretty good day driving. I found around 70 properties, so that was pretty good. I covered a nice area. I'll show you my map right here. You can see the X's. That's all the area that I covered. So excited to come back out. Maybe, I don't know, in another few days, maybe next weekend or something like that, and see what else I can find. So I'll see you guys next time.